Court has just issued two rulings on one of the president's more controversial measures to battle COVID, vaccine mandates for private employers. The Supreme Court blocking some of the rules put in place by the Biden administration. Let's go to NBC News Justice correspondent Pete Williams, who can tell us more. Pete.
So, Lester, by a vote of 6-3, the Supreme Court is blocking the Biden administration from carrying out the rules imposed by OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, that would require companies that employ more than 100 workers to make sure that all their employees either get vaccinated for COVID or wear masks and be tested once a week. The court said the law that allows OSHA to do what it does empowers it to set workplace safety standards, but not broad public health measures. The government simply didn't have the authority to do this, the court said, so it's putting it on hold while the case is going to play out in the lower courts on the broader question of the government's authority here. But in a separate ruling, by a vote of 5-4, the Supreme Court has said the Biden administration can enforce the separate rule that applies to about 10,000 healthcare workers, or 20 million healthcare workers in the U.S. who treat Medicare or Medicaid patients. The court said that that authority is well within the power of the Department of Health and Human Services to set the standards for patient care. Now, the four dissenters in that case were the court's more conservative members, Gorsuch, Barrett, Alito, and Thomas. The three dissenters in the OSHA case were the court's three liberals, Breyer, Sotomayor, and Kagan. So this blocks the enforcement of the OSHA rule, but allows the enforcement of the HHS rule. The OSHA rule would apply to about 80 million workers, the healthcare rule to about 20 million workers. And Lester, the healthcare rule was already enforced in about half the states. So now it can go ahead and be enforced in all the states, but now the OSHA rule is blocked nationwide.